Which command is used to display multi-car company list in the same city?
First we enter the transaction code CL and then enter the location code, city code and airport code.
Right. What command to give to know the name or code of the car company?
First we have to enter the transaction code DNC and after that company name or code.
Right. What is the command to display the location of car hire offices for a specific car company?
First of all we have to enter a transaction code CL, then 2 letter company code, then location code, city or airport.
Right. What does DNC transaction code means?
DNC transaction code means don't know car.
Right. Why the area identifier codes are used?
Why the area identifier? To shortlist the car list in a particular location.
Right. What will be the command to display car hire locations for a specific area within a city?
First of all we have to enter a transaction code CL with that location code, airport and city code. First of all we have to enter a transaction code CL, then and after with location code, city and airport, then hyphen, then area identifier code. One letter.
Right. What is the command to display a list of the cheapest hired cars offered by all car companies located in the destination airport?
First of all we have to enter a transaction code CA, then S code for segment, then segment number.
Right. What does transaction code CA means?
CA means car availability.
Right. What is the command to book a vehicle from multi-car company?
First we have to enter a transaction code CS, then we have to enter the line number of the vehicle which you want to book.
Right. What is important to keep in mind while booking a car?
While booking a car it is allowed to one member in a family and who will take the responsibility of the vehicle.
Right. Which code is used for the hotel in area identifier code?
H code is used.
Right. What code is used for rail in area identifier code?
Rail in area and X code is used.
Right. What code is used for port ferry in area identifier code?
P code is used.
Right. What code is used for airport area in area identifier code?
A code is used.
Right. Which code is used for resort location in area identifier code?
R code is used.
Right. Which code is used for south of city in the area identifier code?
S code is used.
Right. Which code is used for west of the city in area identifier code?
W code is used.
Right. Which code is used for east of the city in area identifier code?
E code is used.
Right. Which code is used for the north of the city in area identifier code?
N code is used.
Which code is used for airport terminal in area identifier code?
Airport terminal. T code is used.
Right. Which code is used for the city center in area identifier code?
C code is used.
Right. What is the command to display the location of car hire offices for a specific car company?
First of all we have to enter a transaction code DNC and after that we have to enter the company name or code.
Wrong.